Hello, it's Heidi Brown here with your Mississauga, Oakville, and Milton real estate market update for August. Well, things continue to shift in our real estate market, and we're still doing month over month comparisons to really get a handle on what is happening. Interest rates that have increased continually since March have continued to have a direct impact on what's going on in the market. And I'm starting off this month's analysis with the last few months' activity with what's been happening in Mississauga to give you sort of a little bit of a short-term story of things. Since May, we've had continual and steady declines in the average price of homes. This is a combination of all styles of homes in Mississauga. It's one way to measure the activity, but as you can see, there was about a $50,000 plus increase in month over month from June to July. So pretty significant if you're selling a home. However, when you go to turn around to buy a home, you'll note that whatever you're going to buy is going to have decreased in price as well. So it's really all relative, but the days of the January, February, and even a little into March, high sales prices, those days have gone to the back burner for a while. And then when we look at the number of days on market, that is going up. Prices are going down. How long things are sticking around is going up. So we went from 17 to 24, and we're at about 32 days on market. That's provided a home is priced properly. If it's not really reflective of market conditions, it might be sitting on the market a little bit longer. We're all just trying to grapple with the sudden changes that have been going on. In Oakville, there has been change as well, not as significant, but we have seen a dip in the average price of detached homes, but a slight increase in the price of townhomes for Oakville. So ever so slight are those ones, but as well there is consistent change happening for the Oakville region as well as Milton. In this case, detached have gone up a little bit in price point, not a whole ton, but there's just been a slight shift. But towns in Milton have gone down. So as you can see, each area and neighborhood has very specific, nuances. So it's really an overall picture, but really deal with your realtor or reach out to me if you want some specific neighborhood related information, because it may be a little bit different or specific to you. But this just gives us sort of the general lay of the land nowadays. So what's happening currently, the inventory levels, so how long things are staying and how long it would take to deplete all of the inventory if nothing new came on the market. Those levels are continue to rise. The days on the market continue to rise. However, when we look at year over year, we still are up marginally in most areas year over year. So it's just that there's been a really sudden and dramatic adjustment over the last few months. So as we look ahead, the Bank of Canada has indicated 3 additional dates between now and the end of the year for announcements. Will they continue to put interest rates up? There is some speculation, and we do know that when that happens, there is a direct and immediate impact on things in the real estate market as well as many other markets. But we're here to try to give you the information as it comes along. And when I'm not busy, in my spare time, I am developing some webinars. So I just wanted to give you the heads up on that. Stay tuned on my social media, and in your inbox, I'll be sharing information on buying if you're new to Canada, some information and programs, or if you're selling and trying to navigate this market, I'm doing a dedicated program on that as well. So 2 critical issues going on right now, and I thought what better way than to try to inform those people with some information to equip them with this market changes. So here I am at Remax Escarpment. You can find me online or in and out of any of the offices, but please reach out if you have any questions. But I will be back at you next month with some more market updates. In between, reach out to me here on social media. I love to connect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next month.